There's no need to shy away or run for the hills when we talk about acids in skincare. Here are 5 natural ingredients that can provide you with the benefits of AHAs and BHAs without the skin or pocket irritation. This kitchen staple is a glowing skin potion. The lactic acid found in milk is said to remove dead skin cells, rejuvenating and keeping the skin fresh and healthy. This improves your skin's texture and boosts hydration. This is perfect for sensitive skin as well. Cleanse your face with a milk-soaked cotton pad to gently exfoliate your skin. Wash your face off after 10 minutes. You can repeat this thrice a week for glowing and clear skin. Tomatoes contain salicylic acid, which is a beta-hydroxy acid or BHA that keeps acne at bay thanks to its exfoliating and pore cleansing properties. Moreover, the exfoliation will help with fading acne marks as well. Mix together the puree from 1 ripe tomato and 2 tablespoons pomegranate seed paste. Pomegranate helps reverse sun damage and is packed with antioxidants. Apply a thin layer of this all over your face and wash it off after 15 minutes for clear and radiant skin. We know the benefits of AHAs for the face, but you can also heal body acne and hyperpigmentation on your elbows and knees with this easy DIY scrub. All you need is cane sugar and honey. The sugarcane derived granules are great sources of glycolic acid. It helps exfoliate the rough layers of your skin and promotes cell turnover for new, fresh skin cells. Mix together 2 tablespoons cane sugar and 1 tablespoon honey. Scrub this in slow circular motions on your arms and legs and wash it off in the shower. Pineapple is a powerful exfoliant that can help you fade away acne marks and even improve your skin texture and appearance of acne scars over time. It contains citric acid and also the enzyme bromelain, which aids in its exfoliating properties. You can make a pineapple scrub by mixing 1/4 cup pineapple puree, 1 tablespoon yogurt and 1 tablespoon ground orange peels. Gently scrub in circular motions for a few minutes and then wash this off. This mix will soothe your skin as well thanks to the yogurt. If you have sensitive skin and have been turning away from AHAs and BHAs, an Indian staple, the gentle chandan, can come to your rescue. Even though it technically isn't an acid, sandalwood powder gives you the same benefits, like it fades dark spots and cleanses your pores without being too harsh or irritating your skin. Mix 1 tablespoon sandalwood powder, 1 tablespoon curd and 1 tablespoon cucumber juice. The cooling and soothing effects of these ingredients make the perfect glow boosting pack for your skin. Exfoliate, brighten and renew your skin with these power packed natural AHAs and BHAs. Thank you for watching, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.